Okay, the temperature log is consistent. Oh. And the health certificates match the batch numbers here. Looks good.
From ancient hand tanning techniques using natural dyes through industrial mechanization to modern computerized processing facilities.
The SPC charts show we are consistently hitting the 14.6 target weight.
Good. We can increase allocation for the next run.
Wide-angle overview of the massive storage facility spanning 16,800 square meters of monitored warehouse area.
This shoulder area is perfect, registering at 3.5 millimeters.
We can definitely fit the prime cuts here and avoid the belly waist.
The texture analysis station utilizes advantaging systems to document the characteristic biturous
structural weakness confirmed near the flank, logging it under the new international standard.
Agreed. Code 7.
Technicians create detailed digital representations of each bison hide, marking exact locations of flaws.
The thickness profiles meet the specifications, and the defect rate is acceptable.
Agreed. We can approve the batch for production release.
14.
Through the reinforced glass observation port, bison hides tumble at 11 RPM, balancing cleaning power with hide protection.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates automated backwashing filter systems, maintaining optimal washes. Primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,200 liters of softened water floods the drum. Computer-controlled systems ensure precise...
I'm detecting residue right here.
Confirmed. Confirmed. Mark this for rewash.
Specialized spot cleaning station features high-pressure washing equipment delivering 130 bar, optimizing contamination elimination through adjustment.
Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing temperature-activated enzyme blends, maximizing catalytic efficiency.
The final washing stage utilizes a specially formulated final wash at pH 7.
Comprehensive rinsing protocol implements 3 consecutive rinse cycles using 4,800 liters of ultra-pure water.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs hydraulic press systems applying 200 bar pressure for water removal, carefully processing the thoroughly cleaned bison hides.
The pH is stable right at 7.2.
Perfect. That's within the acceptable range. Authorize the batch release.
Temperature on drum 7 is spiking, increasing rotation speed now.
Confirmed. The chemical feed looks stable. The alignment looks good here.
All right, I'll confirm the pressure settings on the rollers. We are seeing excellent uniformity across the split.
The data confirms it meets the rigorous standards for the premium belt line.
Fleshing operation proceeding smoothly. Check the splitting parameters.
2.4 millimeters, well within tolerance for the premium belts.
Industrial scale fleshing and splitting operations process bison leather through mechanical removal.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
Yes, it's well within the premium belt specification.
Advanced fleshing and splishing operations continues in the Bison hide area.
Industrial scale fleshing and splitting operations process bison leather through mechanical removal of subcutaneous tissue.
The tensile strength on this lot is exceptional.
Well within the premium belt specification, ready for shipment.
The stabilization is complete, uniformity is excellent.
Confirmed. The tensile strength meets the premium standard for the belt application.
The automated scan looks good.
Agreed.
The thickness is consistent for the belt cut.
The automated system is maintaining optimal temperature and chromium levels for the stabilization process.
Check the caliper reading on this section.
Right on spec. This lot is ready for the cutting stage.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
Yes, the chromium stabilization held perfectly.
Advanced chromium tanning processing continues in the specialized processing area where bison hides undergo chemical stabilization.
Check the pH levels on drum 3.
Reading stabilization at 4.2, confirming specifications.
The tensile strength is optimal. This lot meets the rigorous standards.
Excellent. Approved for premium belt manufacturing.
Advanced chromium tanning bling processing.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues using industrial-grade German and engineered machinery and Italian precision tools. The penetration depth is consistent across the sample. And the tensile strength is within tolerance for the crimson batch.
The color uniformity is within the acceptable delta E range.
Confirmed. The pigment penetration is excellent on this batch.
The German calibration seems correct.
Yes, the color saturation meets the premium standard.
Sophisticated drying and conditioning operations incorporate advanced manufacturing methodologies and automated material.
The moisture reading on batch 4 is stabilizing right on the threshold.
Yes, the dimensional integrity looks perfect for the premium belts.
The moisture levels are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The dimensional stability is excellent for belting.
Sensor check on the latest hide confirms stability.
Excellent. The automated sequence is holding the parameters perfectly.
Fiber manipulation on this hide is exceptional.
Absolutely. The texture development is flawless according to the analysis. We're ready for belt production.
Advanced outside mechanical processing continues in the special processing area, where bison hides undergo fiber.
Industrial-scale softening and mechanical processing operations process bison leather through fiber manipulation.
With experienced African-American male technicians monitoring critical parameters, ensuring every belt's component meets exacting.
Professional softening and mechanical processing proceeds as skilled African-American male operators manage the bison.
Critical parameters are holding steady at 99.8% optimization.
The cuts are flawless. These components meet the premium standard.
We need to ensure every component meets the exacting quality standards.
Monitoring the critical parameters now. The precision is excellent.
Steppers. Our leather technicians apply decades of industry expertise combined with modern analytical instrumentation. Engineering Port Tierspartikens 14.15 Z-Fainings. Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization.
The tensile strength is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The caliper reading is also precise.
Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in the specialized processing area, where bison hides undergo